Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs not stick. First, selecting the correct pan is crucial. A good quality nonstick pan or a properly seasoned cast iron skillet works best. Next, always use a generous amount of fat, about 1 tablespoon of butter, oil, or cooking spray to create a barrier. Finally, preheating your pan to the right temperature is key for preventing sticking. Achieving the perfect nonstick surface starts with proper heat control. Place your pan over medium-low to medium heat. This prevents the eggs from cooking too quickly and adhering. Once the pan is warm, add your chosen fat and allow it to fully melt or shimmer. This indicates it's ready. Remember, cooking eggs in smaller batches also helps maintain consistent heat and prevent sticking. Once your pan is perfectly prepped, crack your eggs directly into the warm, greased surface. Resist the urge to constantly stir or flip them, especially for fried or scrambled eggs. Gentle cooking allows them to set without tearing. When they are ready, a thin, flexible spatula is your best friend for easily sliding underneath and releasing the eggs without any struggle. Proper cleaning and maintenance will extend the life of your nonstick pans and keep eggs from sticking. Always clean your pan promptly after use, removing any food residue. Avoid harsh, abrasive scrubbers that can scratch and damage the nonstick surface. A soft sponge and warm, soapy water are usually sufficient. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.